Singaraja is the largest city in North Bali and was once the capital of Bali during the Dutch colonial era. Rich in history, culture, and diversity, this city preserves many traces of its past that can still be enjoyed today. Singaraja offers a different side of Bali, far from the busy tourist areas that most visitors know. My journey in Singaraja began with a visit to Ling Gwan Kiong Temple, one of the oldest and most historic Chinese temples in North Bali. Built in 1873, the temple has become a symbol of harmony among the different communities that have lived together here for generations.
We're going to see a Chinese temple. It's really old. It was built in 1873 and it was the first Buddhist Chinese temple in Singaraja. Singaraja means like Singa is lion and Raja is king. Let's have a look.
Unfortunately, when I arrived, the temple was undergoing renovations. Even so, its beautiful Chinese architecture, lotus ponds, and peaceful atmosphere make it a cultural landmark that should not be missed when visiting Singaraja.
Okay. We can go in. We can check it out. Yeah, we can go.
From the temple, I continued to the Old Buleleng Harbor. In the past, this harbor was the main gateway for trade and shipping in Bali. Walking around the harbor area gave me a glimpse of how Singaraja once served as the center of Bali's economy and government. The old pier, the beautiful coastline of North Bali, and the historic buildings nearby stand as silent witnesses to the city's glorious past. Not far from the harbor, I visited the Colonial Bridge, another historical landmark in the Old Buleleng Harbor area. Built during the Dutch colonial period, the bridge is believed to be more than 100 years old.
A short distance away, I stopped at Bung Karno Park. This peaceful and shady park is one of Singaraja's landmarks and serves as a reminder of the close connection between Indonesia's first president, Karno, and North Bali. It is a perfect place to relax and enjoy the calm atmosphere of the city.
We're here at Taman Bung Karno. It's a park in Singaraja. As you can see behind me, a statue from Karno.
My journey continued to Kang Bugus, a historic village that has been home to the Bugis community for centuries. Here, I had the opportunity to meet local residents who are known for their friendliness and hospitality.
So, yeah, can take picture? Satu, dua, tiga.
The daily life of the coastal community, the activities of local fishermen, and the cultural diversity that thrives here make Kang Bugus one of the most authentic parts of Singaraja that remains well preserved today. Singaraja is not only a historic city, but also a place where culture, tolerance, nature, and community life come together to create an unforgettable travel experience. As sunset approached, I headed to Lovina beach for dinner by the sea. The cool ocean breeze and the peaceful atmosphere of North Bali at night created a truly memorable experience. Enjoying fresh seafood while overlooking the open sea was the perfect way to end a day spent exploring the historic corners of Singaraja. As night fell, I continued my journey to Sumberkima Hill, where I spend the night.
The next morning in West Bali began with an exploration of local village life. Far from the crowds of popular tourist destinations, the countryside of West Bali offers a more authentic experience, where tradition, culture, and nature continue to exist in harmony. Along the way, I witnessed many activities that are part of the daily lives of local people. Their kindness and the peaceful village atmosphere made the journey even more meaningful. At one point, I stopped at a beautiful natural river. Crystal clear water flowed between large rocks, surrounded by lush green trees and the soothing sounds of nature. Around midday, I continued to Grodo Dam, one of the largest dams in North Bali, located among the rolling hills of West Bali. From the dam, the wide expanse of water combined with the surrounding green hills creates a breathtaking and peaceful landscape. Besides serving as an important source of irrigation for local farmers, the dam is also a place where visitors can enjoy Bali's untouched natural beauty.
Further, there's a village. We are going to make a visit, have a look.
However, my destination was not only the dam itself. On the southern side of the reservoir lies a place that is rarely known by tourists. To reach it, I had to walk through hillsides, local farms, and narrow dirt paths used mainly by villagers. The farther I walked, the quieter everything became. There were no vehicles, no large buildings, only the sounds of the wind, wild birds, and nature in its purest form.
It was here that I met a man who had chosen to live alone in the middle of nature. His simple home stands far from modern life and is not connected to electricity. He lives a very simple lifestyle, relying on nature and the crops he grows around his home to meet his daily needs. Despite living with very few modern conveniences, he welcomed me warmly. He invited me to sit down and kindly prepared a cup of coffee for me. While enjoying the hot coffee, I listened to stories about his life, far away from the noise and pressure of the modern world. This place revealed a side of Bali that many people never see, a place where humans still live closely with nature, with very little influence from modernization. Time passed quickly. As the sun slowly moved toward the western horizon, it was time for me to say goodbye and continue my journey. Later, I visited two local residents originally from Banyuwangi, East Java,
who have lived in Bali for many years. Their names are Sama and Moryani.
Hello.
Halo.
Apa kabar?
Alhamdulillah, baik.
What's your name?
Siapa namanya? Sahma.
Safma.
Ya.
My name John.
Jom.
John.
Jun.
Nice to meet you.
Muriani.
Muriani. My name is John.
Jun yang mana?
Nice to meet you. From Banjonji.
Banyak.
Banjonji.
Banyuwangi.
Banyuwangi. How are you, Jen?
Awakinya no.
Batu Totol. Tara.
As evening arrived, the day ended with another special experience.
Bli Kadek invited me to have dinner with local residents. Sitting together in a simple setting, enjoying homemade food while sharing stories and laughter, reminded me that the true richness of travel is not only found in the places we visit, but also in the people we meet along the way. Today, I did not only witness the beauty of West Bali, I also experienced the sincerity, simplicity, and hospitality that continue to thrive within its communities. It is a memory that I will always carry with me whenever I think of the island of Bali.